Hey bookworms, welcome back to another page-turning video on our channel. Today, we're introducing the Ultimate Reading Tracker Notion template, designed to help you keep track of your literary adventures and elevate your reading experience. If you're ready to become a master of your reading list, discover new genres, and celebrate your love for books, then cozy up and let's jump into this fantastic template together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Now, let's get lost in the world of books and start tracking our reading journey. In this database, you'll find all your books. To add a new book, click on the New button and enter the title. To add a book cover, bring up the Property menu and upload a file from your personal files or embed a link to a web image. Next, add the author by selecting an existing one or creating a new author by writing their name directly in the field. Click on New to link the author to your book, and then click on the author's name to open their page. Choose an emoji to illustrate the author and add their birth date if known, along with any relevant information about their profession or occupation. Return to your book page to finish configuring it. Add the publisher, which can be bolded or color-coded for emphasis. Add a starting and ending date to calculate automatically how many days it took to read the book, along with the total page number and the page number you've already read to update the progress bar. You can also add a rating score and paste a link. To add an audiobook, go to the audiobook database and follow the same steps as adding a book to your bookshelf database. The author database contains all the authors you've added, and you can add new ones directly from the database by clicking on the New button. With these features, you can easily keep track of all your books, audiobooks, and authors in one organized database. With this database, you can track all your book purchases. To get started, click on the New button and write Book. Enter the price of your book and the date you purchased it. Depending on the purchase date, select the month to link your tracking with the monthly report. Next, add the book you want to track, and the author and publisher will be automatically updated. You can also add a Received field to indicate if the book has been received yet. With these features, you can easily keep track of your book purchases and expenses, making it easier to budget for future book purchases and manage your finances. In this database, you can track the progress of all your reading and listening activities. This feature allows you to stay on top of your reading goals and monitor your progress over time. In this database, you can organize all your favorite podcasts by theme. To get started, you'll need to embed Apple Podcasts into Notion. To do this, go into a category and click on Embed a new podcast to add a new embed block. Next, go to the Apple Podcasts website or app to search for your favorite podcast that you want to embed into Notion. Once you've found it, copy the embed link and go back to Notion to paste it. Your new podcast will now appear in your Notion personal workspace, making it easy to keep track of your favorite podcasts and stay up to date with the latest episodes. With these features, you can easily stay organized and on top of your podcast listening habits.